Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Krigler, sex pain therapist, and I'm here to talk to you about one of the first steps in trying to solve painful intercourse for women. I have been helping women for the past decade with painful intercourse, and one of the first things I ask my clients is, are you using lubrication? You would be surprised how many women aren't using lubrication when sex hurts. So one of the first things you would want to do is make everything just a little bit more slippery. One of my favorite ways to do that is by using a product actually called Slippery Stuff. This is the 8-ounce bottle. I highly recommend 8 ounces. I think this is about right to get you through a lot of interesting times with your partner. If you wanted to continue on and have more, I use 16 ounces in the clinic. I just showed you this because I want you to know that when they show you this picture on Amazon, 16 ounces is a lot and 32 is a lot. So unless you're a professional, you're not going to need that much lubrication. 8 ounces is perfect, and one of the reasons that I love this bottle is that it has a cap that you can put on it, lay it on its side, and you might want to tuck it away somewhere more discreet. If you are more of an all-natural girl, and I totally get you there, what I would suggest is coconut oil. Not just any coconut oil. I would use an organic coconut oil. One of my favorite brands is Nutiva, but any organic coconut oil would work great. The only downside to coconut oil over a water-based lubricant is that oil does stain. So if you use oil and you get it on your sheets, you're probably gonna get that oil stain on your sheets and it may not come out. So one of the things I suggest to my clients is just simply to put down a beach towel or an old bath towel. We all have some grungy towel that we don't really like. Pull that out and lay it down. I promise you it is not going to detract from the romantic atmosphere. What I usually find is that after my clients are doing this procedure a few times, when their partners walk in the room and they see that towel, they're totally psyched. So my first tip to you is to try to make things a little bit more slippery using, these products or some other lubrication. There's a few more tips about lubrication that I have that I'll link to in another video, but for right now, these products are linked below. For more information on lubrication or any other sex pain related topics, head over to drlaurenkrigler.com and follow me at drlaurenkrigler on social media. Thanks, guys.